You just... Oh, I didn't get it on camera when it thundered. I'm just gonna keep it recording until it does thunder.
It's gonna fucking rain every single day. Not to the bridge.
Yeah, it's really not that far. Ooh. That's a thunder.
Yeah, we don't walk that far. It feels like we walk like...
I know, it's really not that far away. See?
I know. Looking back there.
The shit's scary. It's not out of service, they just don't want people walking on it.
Bro, when they say that.
That's a long drop.
Bro, dude.
Yeah.
Shit, like...
You just... I'm terrified of heights.
Bro, I see somebody moving up a little bit.
I know. Fucking thunder's going fucking crazy. I almost tripped. Last time we were here, I almost fell off the fucking bridge. So like when you're walking, pick your feet up.
Nah, dirt, dude.
Well, it like changes bridges. Holy fuck, dude, it's so high right now.
Bro, what did you fucking tell me this part?
I'm terrified of fucking heights. It's not that bad, just don't slip in the oil. See, look, if you want to jump, right here's where to jump. Yes, it's right here.
Where?
Right here.
Colby, you told me this was coming out. I've never done it.
Come on, Ethan, don't be afraid.
Fucking afraid out of my brains.
Live life a little, Ethan.
I live a lot. Scared a lot. Bitch.
I'm fucking terrified, but this is fucking amazing, bro. All right, we fucking made it. Off the bridge.
It fell off.
I know, shit looks fun.
If I can swim across, I'll be fine. Why can't we just go down all the way down there?
Even if you can't swim across, there's a rope.
It's a fucking... How? I'm supposed to fucking...
That rope, dumbass, it goes all the way to that tree.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Woo! 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 That's fun.
And look, if you're in the water and you can't think to get, the rope ties all the way over there. So it's not going to hurt. Oh, so to get on and on top of the bridge, or on and off the bridge, you gotta go up this fucking log thing. That's interesting. Oh, it's hot. Not so bad. There's Ethan over there. Oh, shit's scary. I'm gonna come back. Whew. Shit's scary. But, so, I guess this is time for a little bit of a talk. Me, you guys, in the channel. I want to base my channel on more adrenaline rush, out exploring kind of things, like living my life. And I'm trying to come up with a motto for that. Not that works. If you guys have any good mottos for that, comment down below, like Sam and Colby and TFIL. TFIL, the fun in life, and Sam and Colby are XPLR and 25 by 25. So, but yeah, it's a lot. Fuck, bro. Terrified of heights. My name's Colby McGee. About to do a 40-foot jump into the Amite River. Last words. Okay. No limits. Three, two. Fuck! Okay. 3, 2, 1. Holy shit! Holy fuck me, bro! What the fuck? Alright. Holy fuck, bro. I didn't even touch the bottom. That shit was crazy. It took you that long to get up the fucking board, and I just jumped off. So, the GoPro's on 19%, so I'm gonna make this quick. I just jumped off the bridge, and, you know, we're walking back. Got all our shit ready. And my mom texted me.
Is that the train? That is the train.
No, it's not.
That's the fucking train, dumbass.
We'd see it.
It's fucking making a noise.
Bro, I'm telling you, you're fine. We'd see it.
You don't hear it, do you?
I hear that. So my mom texted me, if you can see that, don't jump off the bridge. That's fun.
Alright, can you walk quicker?
Yeah, come on. And Ethan thinks he hears the train, and I kind of hear it too now, not gonna lie. I don't think that's a train.
That is train.
Oh shit!
It is?
Look behind you! Alright, no good bros. About to die. So I'm gonna change out batteries real quick so you guys can see the train. I'm back, no joke fucking guys. There was actually a fucking train. Look how close Ethan was to getting fucking ran over. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Holy shit, bro. Almost fucking died. Oh my god. Talk about a day full of fucking adrenaline rush.
Oh no, I stepped in the water, Colby.
Bro.
My feet are burning.
If we were literally so fucking close to that. Like, it looked like it was a lot fucking farther away. This shit's right there, bro. Holy shit, I'm trying to get this shit for a Snapchat video. Holy fuck. Holy shit, bro. You good?
Yeah, my feet are popped a little bit, bro.
Mans was running on the fucking train tracks with no fucking shoes, bro. Holy shit, bro. All I gotta say, this year's gonna be fucking crazy. No doubt. You can already fucking tell. No limits, guys. No limits. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.